Here I have HTC One M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data from this device. So firstly you have to open your internet browser and tap here, go to the history section and tap clear browsing data. Here you have to select the time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be past hour, past day, past week, past month, or beginning of time. Then select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cached images and files, saved passwords, and also autofill form data. And then just tap clear data and history will be entirely cleared. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.